Welcome back to Home Design Channel. In today's video, we embark on a captivating exploration of the enchanting realm known as French Provincial interior design. This timeless style has proven its enduring allure, weaving together elements of sophistication, warmth, and classical beauty. Join us as we delve into the intricate details that define the French Provincial aesthetic, transforming living spaces into havens of elegance and charm. In the palette of French Provincial design, a symphony of neutral tones sets the stage for a captivating interior. Whites, creams, and subtle grays provide a canvas for the introduction of soft pastels like lavender, muted blues, and sage. These delicate hues infuse spaces with a sense of tranquility, creating an atmosphere that resonates with the grace of French Provincial living. Furniture, a cornerstone of this design approach, becomes a narrative in itself. Crafted from high-quality wood, each piece boasts intricate carvings and rustic touches that pay homage to a bygone era. Plush chairs with classic silhouettes beckon for moments of repose, while dining tables and buffets adorned with curved legs and detailed carvings evoke the charm of French countryside manners. The story continues in the meticulous ornamentation and details that define French Provincial interiors. Fine craftsmanship is evident in delicately carved furniture and carefully chosen accessories. Fine craftsmanship is evident in delicately carved furniture and carefully chosen accessories. Vintage-inspired table lamps become supporting characters, enhancing the romantic atmosphere that defines the French Provincial aesthetic. In conclusion, French Provincial interior design transcends mere aesthetics. It is a narrative, a timeless tale of elegance and charm. If you found this journey through the world of French Provincial design inspiring, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more captivating content, and join us on future explorations of the world of interior design. Thank you for being part of this narrative, and until next time, may your homes be filled with the enduring beauty of French Provincial design.